The T-Roc might be among the most huge of numerous new Volkswagen models, regardless of whether it won't be sold in the United States within a reasonable time frame. It's another hybrid that is generally an indistinguishable size from the Golf and depends on the same MQB engineering. For the time being, at any rate, the Golf will remain the backbone of the brand's lineup, yet those inside the organization who are worried about deal's development rates are much more inspired by the hybrid SUV portion almost wherever on the globe. The T-Roc's body sits moderately low for a hybrid SUV, giving it a more car-like position than, say, a Chevrolet Trax or a Buick Encore. There is just somewhat more ground freedom than on a Golf, yet the seats are an entire 3.1 inches higher, clarifying that the interest isn't rough terrain ability. However, the telling seating position in rush hour gridlock, with an unmistakable observable pathway over customary autos, despite the fact that not different SUVs. The T-Roc includes a routinely proportioned, two-box body with fairly expressive, protruding bumpers. While the swollen bumpers may seem opposing to VW's conventional styling dialect, they are a protected decision in this portion where clients favor a somewhat forceful appearance. The headlights are found specifically neighboring the grille, and in higher trim levels the LED daytime running lights additionally go about as turn signals when required. The chrome strip extending from the base of the A column to the base of the C column may help some to remember the Jeep Compass, in spite of the fact that it was utilized on VW's T-Roc idea of 2014, which reviewed the organization's expectation to enter this market portion, yet camouflaged with two entryway bodywork and a removable rooftop.